Hi, welcome everyone to Leadership YouTube channel. Today we are going to make lemon cake. I hope you guys enjoying with my videos. So please sometime don't forget to subscribe. Let's see. It's ready now. I will explain you these are the ingredients. Sugar, whole egg. Wow, nice smell. Flour, I can't wait anymore. Heavy cream, melted butter, baking powder, salt, vanilla essence and lemon seeds. First of all, we are going to mix egg, sugar and lemon seeds. Let's go. So you need to mix in slow speed because if you make high speed, eggs will make bubbles. So you should have to make slow speed. So during the mixing, I'm going to add the vanilla essence. Recipe and ingredients I will write down the description so you can check in English and Sinhala, and you can make your comment how is the result. You can see now sugar already melt. Now we are going to mix the flour and baking powder and salt. So today helping me Chef Rukshan, newcomer for our section. So you will mix 1 to 2 minutes, then you will add the heavy cream. Now we are adding whipping cream. So now we are going to add the melted butter. You can see now all the ingredients combined. This is the mold. We use baking paper. Even at home you can use any mold with baking paper. This is some technique to make nice decoration for the cake. We are not hiding anything in our YouTube channel. We are teaching you everything. This is very important for hotel school boys and whoever start new restaurant, new business. It will be very helpful. So we will bake 185 Celsius, 55 minutes, fan number 2, 100% humidity. It's ready now. You will see. Wow, nice smell. I can't wait anymore. Let's try. You can see the line.
This is test amazing. Smell amazing.
Yeah, amazing smell. Wow. You can see the structure. Wow. You feel like real lemon.